Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Lokesh Sharma, Associate Professor, Mahatma Gandhi College of Physiotherapy. So today's my topic is muscle contractions. So what is muscle contraction? The name suggests muscle contraction means whenever we are doing any activity, the muscle is getting contracted. Means the fibers, the muscle fiber arrangement is getting close to each other. So types of muscle work or muscle contraction. So muscle contraction is also known as types of muscle work. So what is it? Muscle activity increases the intramuscular tension and changes in the muscle length. The muscle fibers are contracted and relaxed during the muscle work. So what happens in muscle contraction? The intramuscular tension that is changed and muscle is getting contracted and relaxed during the work. So what are the types of muscle contraction? So basically there are three types of muscle contraction. First is isotonic contraction, second is isometric contraction, and third is isokinetic contraction. So we will study one by one every contraction. So first is isotonic contraction. So what is isotonic? So iso means equal and tonic means tone. So what suggests that name isotonic? So tone will be equal and length will be changed. So by changing the length of the muscle, the same amount of tension is created throughout the contraction is said to be isotonic contraction. तो जब भी जो मसल की लेंथ है वो चेंज होती है तो जो सेम अमाउंट ऑफ जो टेंशन होती है वो क्रिएट होती है या फिर जनरेट होती है थ्रू आउट दी मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में. कौन से टाइप के मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन? दैट इज आइसोटोनिक मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. सो देयर आर बेसिकली टू टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोटोनिक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. सो फर्स्ट वन इज कॉन्सेंट्रिक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड अनदर इज इसेंट्रिक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. So concentric contraction. So what is concentric contraction? So the name suggests concentric contraction towards the center. So जब भी muscle contract होती है इसमें the limb moves towards the center. If we'll see this example, so this is fully stretched position of the limb and here it is moving from fully stretched position to contracted position. So the difference angle that is between the joints are more and here this angle is getting reduced. मतलब जो लिम्ब है वो यहाँ से मूव करके क्लोज जा रहा है तो मूव इट टूवर्ड्स द सेंटर. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज शॉर्टनिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सी हियर मसल लेंथ इज मोर and here muscle length is small. So this is shortening contraction. The muscle shortens to produce the movement. So whenever muscle is shortening or contracting, so what is happening? The movement is producing. The proximal and distal bones are drawn towards the center. So this is proximal bone and this is distal bones. So they both are drawn towards the center. मतलब दोनों एक दूसरे के पास आ रही हैं. In which contraction? Concentric contraction. So what is concentric contraction? The movement is happening towards the center and muscle length is getting shortens. So normally one bony component is fixed and another will be moving to perform the movement. So in this type of contraction one जो portion of the limb will be stabilized or fixed and another will be moving. If the fixed bony component is if the proximal bony component is fixed, the distal bony component will be pulled towards the center and that is the example of lifting the dumbbells. So if you are lifting the dumbbells, so what is happening? The proximal bone, so this bone is getting fixed and the distal part of bone is moving towards the center. So this is the example of the concentric contraction. So whenever we are doing any strengthening activity, basically that is done in concentric contraction. And if the distal component is fixed, the proximal bony components moves towards the center So example is push-ups. So whenever any individual is performing push-ups, so what is happening, the distal end मतलब hand ये एकदम fixed है, ये move नहीं कर रहा है, and the body is moving towards the floor. So if you will see the distance between the floor and the shoulder, so it is more in starting position and less in ending position. So here distal component is moving towards the proximal components. So this is the example of concentric contraction. So next is eccentric contraction. So what is eccentric contraction? So from the center means the joint or limb या फिर distal extremity or proximal, anything can be, that is moving from the centers to the away from the body part. Means if you will see here, the elbow is fully flexed and here it is fully stretched position. So from close to far or from center to the away from the center. So this is otherwise called as lengthening contraction. Why it is called as lengthening contraction? Because starting position the muscle is completely shortens and end position the muscle is completely lengthens. Here the proximal and distal bony components are pulled apart from the center. तो जो proximal हो या फिर distal component हो, basically they are moving apart from the center, away from the center. Eccentric contraction lengthens the muscle and insertion of the muscle is pulled distally. So क्या what happens in eccentric contraction? The muscle lengthens and insertion of the muscle is pulled distally. The energy expenditure in this contraction is very less than the concentric contraction. So energy expenditure, why it will be less? Because in concentric contraction the maximum amount of energy is wasted in the generation of the movement and maintaining that joint position or initiating the movement. So here the energy expenditure will be lesser than the concentric contraction. The muscular tension moves the bony lever through a distance in the direction of the muscle pull, but the muscle work is said to be negative muscle work. So concentric contraction is the positive muscle work because the movement is happening towards the direction of the pull. Here the movement is happening away from the direction of contraction. The for example, if I will say biceps is contracting, so this is concentric contraction and this is eccentric. Eccentric means triceps is not contracting in this contraction, biceps is contracting and controlling the movement, that limb is moving towards the gravity. So that's why it is called as negative muscle work, because the movement is not happening towards the line of the pull of the muscle. Normally these eccentric contractions are assisted by the gravitational force. The contraction occurs inside the muscles even though it lengthens. So movement is happening because of basically gravity and muscle is getting lengthened and contraction muscle contract भी हो रही है और muscle की lengthening भी हो रही है, both are getting together. Why? Because gravity is assisting the movement gravity की वजह से हो रही है, so these muscle are controlling that movement. Example, carrying a bucket by the hand and filling water from the tap. If we'll stand and we'll fill the bucket with elbow flexion like this, so जैसे जैसे bucket fill होगी, the our hand will be moving towards the floor and this muscle is getting lengthened and contraction. What we'll do, we will try to hold, but because of the weight of the bucket, the bucket is moving towards the floor. So this is known as eccentric contraction. So this was the example of eccentric contraction. Then what is the significance of this contraction? The physiological cost of this type of muscle work is low, probably only about a quarter of the required for the concentric work. So यहाँ पे जो muscle work होगा that will be less and the energy required, so energy किसी भी movement के लिए energy की जरूरत होती है. So in this contraction energy required will be lesser than the concentric contraction. This is probably to control the speed of the movement. So why it will happen? To control the speed of movement. Then isometric contraction. So iso means same, metric means length. So here length will be same and tone will be increased. So this is known as static or holding contraction. Means at one position if we will hold like this, there is no movement and person is holding the weight on his head. So this is known as isometric contraction. The length of the muscle remains the same throughout the contraction and no movement result. So length and range of motion of the muscle will be same. So कोई movement नहीं हो रही है. The range of motion will be same and length will be same in this contraction. In isometric contraction, there is no change in the length of the muscle. So there will be no change in the length of muscle. Intramuscular tension is created without changing the length of the muscle. So intramuscular tension will be increased, but there will be no change in the length of muscle. Isometric contraction are easier and less energy expensive contractions. Isometric contractions against resistance also can build up the muscle bulk and the power. So this can also be used for building the muscle work and muscle power. Use. This type of isometric exercise can help to improve the muscle strength. Voluntary static contractions of the postural muscle are used to train the pattern of good posture. So this can be used for strengthening and to train the postural muscles. If someone is having some posture problem, so we can suggest him isometric exercises so he can improve his posture. Depend on what posture problem he is having. Thank you.